Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to show you how we weed the lava. So, our tiny house is on this flat pahoehoe or smooth lava area. And all the weeds kind of grow in the cracks. And this is how we weed. We have a propane torch that we bought from Home Depot. And to give credit where credit is due, we were taught this technique by a rancher out on the east side of the Big Island, and he told us where to get the torch and what to do. So we call this our volcano style heating. We use fire back on the lava, heat up the rocks, burn off the roots, burn off the top, and it works really well. So we got a lot of halekoa growing on our property, and some of the stumps are really way inside the lava, and we tried to dig it out, so it's super hard to get out, so we just kind of burn it off, and it takes a couple tries, but after a while we're able to kill that halekoa and keep our lava looking nice and pristine. So that's how we weed our lava, using fire. Seems kind of apropos. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. And aloha.